Look at the lymph node, which is a bean-shaped structure that has a hilum. This hilum is visible at some sections and not visible at some sections. The lymph node is covered by a capsule of connective tissue. The space beneath the capsule is called subcapsular sinus. The function of the lymph node is to purify the lymph. The lymph enters the subcapsular sinus through the lymphatic vessels from the convex part of the lymph node. Under the sinus, the lymph node is divided into two regions. One, the cortex containing lymph follicles. Two, the medulla, which contains cords of lymphocytes and other cells of immune system. The spaces seen between the medullary cords is called the medullary sinuses. The lymph node stroma is formed by reticular tissue. Also, the trabeculae coming from the capsule contribute to the stroma. These are the connective tissue trabeculae. The spaces seen around the trabeculae are called the trabecular sinuses. Between regions of the cortex and the medulla, there is an area called the paracortex. The paracortex of the lymph node is a T cell zone, which contains mature T lymphocytes to react with antigens, where the circulating lymphocytes leave the high endothelial venules to enter the node. In the cortical region, some lymphatic follicles contain bright centers called germinal center, which are clusters of B cells responding to antigen. The follicles that do not have a germinal center may not encounter to antigen, and some of them are sectioned from a peripheral region far from the bright center. Here you can see another sample of lymph node where the hilum of the node is visible. The hilum of the lymph node is the location where blood vessels enter and exit the node. The follicles with a germinal center are called secondary follicles, as the follicles without a bright center are named primary follicles. The bright center is because of the larger cells with clear nucleus. In another slide, we see the capsule and subcapsular sinus of the lymph node, and a large number of macrophages that have phagocytized the waste material inside to purify lymph. Here we can see the trabeculae and the medullary sinuses, which through them the purified lymph leaves the node in hilum as an efferent lymphatic vessel.